Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's job lead video, just being honest, is going to be hodgepodge of different things. I have multiple different job leads. Some are in quality review, some are in tax research. So we have H&R Block hiring remote work from home. Some are paying up to $55,000 a year, part-time, full-time. Hopefully we got a little bit of something for everyone. So the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you're interested in reading reviews on the company, putting those applications in, I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, or put something in the comments. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, share with them, because the whole goal of this channel is to make sure that we are all working from home, having great work-life balance, living our happiest, healthiest life. But first up, we have the company American Specialty Health. They have 504 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality review analyst for their claims. So since this is a healthcare company, they are going to be, the quality review is going to be on the claims. Now, pay is anywhere from $14.70 an hour up to $17 an hour. You are going to get paid training. You're going to be trained remotely. And the company is going to provide the computer equipment you need to do the job. So this is going to be perfect for those of you who would like to work from home, but you don't have a computer to work from. A lot of these work from home jobs do not work on a cell phone, but you have companies that are going to give you the computer you need. So this would be perfect for you. You do have to have your own internet connection, but they are looking for somebody to coordinate and conduct quality reviews on their claims processing. You'll conduct random quality reviews daily, looking at the contract approval audits, including client summaries and fee schedules. You'll prepare and present feedback on any deficiencies and errors that you identify for accuracy, timeliness to your quality claims supervisor. You're going to identify unique issues and problems with the assigned areas. So you'll process claims requiring special handling. You'll review and release aged claims. You'll perform audits on the new staff that are processing these claims, making sure that they are doing it in 100% accuracy. So you may have to give some feedback to them from time to time. Now, this only requires a high school diploma, no college degree. They do want somebody who has 2 years experience performing claims processing or some kind of analyst. You've got to be able to type 10,000 keystrokes per hour and use those computer systems like Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, and of course, you've got to be a problem solver. But if taxes are more your thing, H&R Block is hiring a seasonal tax research representative. Now, it does say they're looking to do a 6-month seasonal position. They're offering flexible hours. You can work full-time or part-time. And pay is anywhere from $18.27 an hour all the way up to $22.60 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to help work the upcoming 2024 tax season. You're going to be provided training as a research assistant so you can gain experience using Salesforce and exercise your research and tax knowledge. Of course, they're looking for somebody to interact with H&R Block's national network of tax professionals and clients, staying up to date in all that tax law research and complex return prep. So day to day, what you'll be doing is adding your technical resume by developing skills in their Salesforce system. You're going to be keeping up to date on all those tax laws with exposure to tax questions submitted by H&R Block tax preparers and building communications with those customer service skills with the tax preparers. So if the tax preparers have questions they need answers, you're going to do the research to find the answers, whether you're going to the IRS website or what. They do prefer somebody who has an associate's degree in a related field. It says, although they will take equivalent combination of education and work experience, and they require 1 year of related work experience. Now, this next one is going to require a bachelor degree. I have seen in the comments that some of my viewers do have degrees. It is decently paying, though, if you have a degree. Wiley Education Services, they have 130 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5 star rating. They are looking for a remote data integrity specialist. Now, their data integrity specialist is going to be doing like a lot of data entry. You're going to directly upload lead information into their system, updating leads that might be already present. So you're going to access their education partner information systems, pulling daily inbound leads and application updates, upload and update that information into the Salesforce system, doing routine audits of all of the education enrollment data to make sure correct information has been entered into the system, and highlighting any areas where the data may not be obtained correctly with enrollment users. They do require a bachelor degree and 1 to 3 years of relevant experience. Of course, you got to know how to use Microsoft Excel, be well organized and process oriented. But if that sounds like you, pay is anywhere from $40,200 a year all the way up to $55,000 a year. Moving right along, if you are interested in a part-time position, the company Sutherland, they have 9,100 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time remote customer service representative. Now, it does say this is work from home, a part-time. They're looking for somebody to work 15 to 20 hours per week, Monday through Friday, specifically starting at 10 a.m. or noon and then working your 4 to 5 hours. So no weekends are needed. They do pay $17 an hour. This is another one that's going to provide all the computer equipment for you. You just have to have internet access. But you'll basically just be taking inbound customer calls and making outbound follow-up calls as needed as part of their insurance team. Now, their insurance is property and casualty insurance, so people are going to be calling in for different questions relating to these insurance products and services. Basic policy information, things like that is what you're going to help them with. And if you can't help them, you'll transfer the calls and escalate to the team as needed. It is just basic customer service, so they don't require a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. Of course, you got to type at least 30 words per minute because you're going to have to take notes in the system when you're talking to them, and have great communication skills. And last but not least, if healthcare is your thing, Soleo Health, I have shared this company on this channel before. They have 51 reviews with a 4.0 out of 5 star rating. They are still looking for a billing specialist. This is to work remote again within the United States. This is going to be a healthcare billing position. You'll be responsible for insurance follow-up, self-pay billing, excluding Medicare. So you're basically going to prep the accurate medical claims based on the contracted agreements with the commercial insurance payers or government insurance payers. You'll review and identify any claims, pricing discrepancies. You'll create and submit secondary claims, electronic pharmacy claims, things like that. Just monitoring all the billing requirements that are needed. So you may have to answer some insurance and billing questions from branch staff and help them educate on anything. You'll have to review information, including medical records, those electronic medical records in the patient's account, making sure everything is there. The authorization from the insurance company is there. You've got benefit verification orders. All of that is correct so that you have any documentation you need to bill that claim to the insurance company. You'll just follow up on any denials from the insurance company as well, making sure that you get anything that is correctable corrected. They are only requiring a high school diploma or GED and 3 years experience in some kind of medical billing. They do want somebody who has medical terminology knowledge of like HCPC, CPT codes, ICD-10 diagnosis codes, just things like that. Somebody who is familiar with that health insurance field. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom, and pay for this position is anywhere from $21 an hour all the way up to $24 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.